Blink Black Lash Primer. That's like a tongue twister. Hey guys, welcome back. So got my May Boxycharm box here for you today, and just FYI, they did send this to me, so this was sent as PR, but as usual, I've gone ahead and opened up this box. I've tried out the goodies inside, so I'll be able to run through them, kind of give you some little mini reviews and let you know what I'm thinking about them, and just do a little unboxing. So let's get to it. So there actually wasn't a card in my box this time, so I'm not sure if that was just a whoopsie left out or they didn't have them or something. So I don't have a card to be able to kind of read information off of that to you, but I'm just gonna try to pull up some information online about these different products and also pricing on them. Okay, so first off, I got the Tarte Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. Here it is in the box, super cute packaging. That just like makes me smile. I love fun packaging. So this retails for $18 and it says, the ultimate lazy girl hack. This micellar water is a gentle, no rinse facial cleanser that removes waterproof and long wear makeup, excess oil and impurities without stripping your skin's natural moisture. This is so cute. Isn't that so cute? I don't know, like a little design at the back. I love it. It doesn't matter, but it's still fun and a little just happy extra to it. Okay, it says powerful enough to remove long wear and waterproof makeup. Safe for use on your whole face, including eyes and lips. Leaves your skin feeling clean, soft, and rejuvenated. Formulated with plant-powered babasu, a moisture-rich ingredient from the rainforest that nourishes, moisturizes, and soothes skin. So I did use this last night. I'm gonna see, let's see. Cotton pad. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I mean, I used it right. Well, I didn't use a cotton pad. I did use a washcloth and put it on a washcloth. I would use this as a next step after more of a cleansing balm, but that's just totally personal preference. I think if you're used to using micellar waters as your kind of first cleansing step, then you would really like this, because I think this does work well like a micellar water. I don't find micellar waters to be strong enough to get off like the tons of mascara that I personally put on, so I prefer a cleansing balm for something like that. But for kind of as a second step to kind of get off that excess, I would definitely use it for that. I would totally use it for like removing, you know, makeup swatches and things like that. Face makeup for sure, but eye makeup, I'll still stick with a balm first. But yeah, I think it works well for being a micellar water. Okay, next I got the Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer. This retails for $22. It says it's a blendable, lightweight, skin smoothing formula that will enhance your eyeshadows by making them vibrant and long wearing. Infused with mineral-rich clay to absorb excess oil, it will deliver a crease-proof, fade-proof, translucent finish that is suitable for all skin tones. So I did use this today under my makeup, and I tried it different ways. So I put it on both eyes. This eye, I first set it with like a cream eyeshadow color. This one I did not set it before I went in with my shadows. I do feel like the shadows are a little bit more vibrant on this side, but I feel like it was easier to blend on this side, which is totally a normal experience for eyeshadow primer, and I think it seems to work really well is what I'm saying, because my favorite eyeshadow primers, that's what I find with them too, is that I typically prefer to go ahead and set it with some kind of a cream base or powder or something, because then I have just an easier blend. But if you want like the most pow color, I would not set it with, you know, a cream or a powder, if that makes sense. Because you can just see, I think I built up color on this side, but I think this side is just a little bit more vibrant. But it really seemed to pop the shadows. So far the shadows are wearing well. So I'm really liking it. And also the consistency of it reminded me of like, kind of like the Urban Decay Primer Potion or the Wet n Wild Eyeshadow Primer. I love both of those, and this one seemed very similar in formula to those. Next I got the Blink Black Lash Primer. That's like a tongue twister. Black Lash Primer. And this retails for $26, it looks like. It says it delivers the ultimate base of lash fullness and thickness while giving your mascara a true black finish. Vitamins and nourishing ingredients impart long-lasting moisturization, moisturization, and conditioning to protect lashes from damage and environmental stresses. Prior to applying mascara, build as many coats as desired within 60 seconds to immediately thicken and lengthen lashes. Comes off with any makeup remover. So I did use this today, and then I used my mascaras on top of it. And really, I mean, I really liked it because I do feel like a lot of times lash primers, because most of them are white, you really have to build up a lot of mascara on top of them. So this was nice that it was already black. So it honestly, I mean, as I was putting it on, I'm like, it really just looks like mascara. Like, I honestly think you could just maybe wear this by itself. I don't know how the longevity would wear, but as far as the look of it, it totally looked like I was wearing mascara. And one other thing I really liked about it is the shape of the wand. It's kind of curved, but it's also very flat. So you can see it there. So I was able to really get at the base of my lashes. I don't necessarily feel like this made my lashes a lot longer looking, but I do think it helped with thickness, and especially at the base of my lashes. I think my lash line looks a lot darker and my lashes look a lot fuller at the lash line. And I think a lot of it has to do with, number one, the black color, but also the applicator that you can really get at the base of the lashes. So I'm liking this. Then I got the Hourglass Vanish Flash Highlighting Stick in the shade Champagne Flash. So here is the outside box, and then here is the packaging. Very pretty. So this retails for $42. And it says a highlighter in a smooth, weightless texture designed to give you an instant flash of light for unparalleled glow and the most seamless highlight. It's a long-wearing, innovative formula that adjusts to your body temperature to blend effortlessly into the skin. Soft focus technology creates a flash of light on the skin for a virtually perfect highlight every time. It's also formulated with hollow microspheres for a weightless feel on the skin. Talks about the triangular bullet, multiple shades, formulated without parabens, sulfates, phthalates. Okay, so I did use this today. This is the highlighter that I have on my cheekbones, and I also put a little bit down my nose as well, but definitely way more on my cheekbones, so you can get a better idea of what it looks like right there. So I always feel like it's going to open the opposite direction, like it's really more like this. I don't know, I always feel like it, yeah, whatever. Anyway, triangular shape to it. Let me show you on my hand the color. This is, I would say, more of a golden champagne sort of a color. Very pretty. When I first got this and swatched it, I was like, ooh, that is like, it looked pretty wabam. But honestly, and even when I'm blending it out, it looks pretty wabam. But when I got it on my skin, it really does meld into your skin. And I feel like it's a lot more subtle looking. Not in a bad way though. In a really pretty, I think, flattering way. I do feel like it just kind of melds and effortlessly blends where it looks more natural. So I think it all depends on your preferences. If you like a wha-bam metallic highlight, I don't think this is that. But if you want more of that subtle, natural, just beautiful skin look, I think you would love this. I really enjoy it. I like all kinds of makeup, so I like both kinds of highlights. So I would like this for, I'd probably wear this with a really bronzy, summery sort of look where you've just got this just like beautiful skin sort of look. You know those looks where it's just like beautiful cheekbones, beautiful cheeks, but nothing is over the top. It's just more soft and beautiful. So that's how I would mostly wear it, I think. Really pretty, great formula, high price point. So I'm glad that it's in the box because that's a high price point. And last thing in here is this gloss, is the Jouer Sheer Pigment Lip Gloss with coconut oil in the shade Via Condotti. Yeah, this is what I have on my lips right now. Here it is. At first when I took this out of the box, I was like, whoa, that's a dark color. Like it looks more kind of fall winter to me. There are no makeup rules. You could wear this any time of year, but I would typically reach for a color like this more in fall and winter, but I do think it's really, really pretty. And also at first I was thinking, this looks like pretty like small, kind of a tiny amount, but when I compared it with other lip glosses, it's actually not. It's really just the top part that's shorter. So it's really just this that's shorter, but the actual amount of product looked really comparable with some of my other lip glosses that I was holding it up against. So just FYI on that. Okay, this retails for $17 and it says This lightweight, non-sticky gloss glides on smoothly and moisturizes lips, available in warm and cool shades. So this shade is described as a sheer cool berry. And yeah, I think that that is a good description for it. I think it's really pretty. I did put it on with a lip liner to give a little bit more shape. I'm not finding bleeding, but I almost always wear a gloss, unless it's like a really light nudie pink or something. I almost always wear a gloss with a liner just because I like a little bit of shape to my lips, especially my top lip. So I'm usually wearing a lip liner, but I'm sure that that's helping with kind of keeping it within the lines as well. So cute packaging on it. When I opened it, first thing I noticed is the scent. This smells amazing. Probably one of the best smelling glosses I have ever smelled. Not to be dramatic, but it's amazing. It's almost like strawberry cupcakes. It's a very kind of subtle sweet strawberry or something scent, but really creamy too. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love the scent of it. It's amazing. And then applicator, it's a tiny little doe foot. So that is what the applicator looks like. And then, yeah, this is a sheer berry sort of color and more of a cool tone. It's more on the like purpley side versus like a orangey red or something. Very pretty. So while it is a darker wine sort of color or a berry wine sort of color, it's sheer enough that I think you could wear it this time of year for sure. But like I said, there are no makeup rules. So if you want to wear a dark berry lip during the, you know, spring, summer, warm weather months, then you do you, boo. Do what you love. This is what it looks like. I really like it. I think the formula is very comfortable. Feels good on the lips. I would not describe it as sticky. No, like not at all. So probably won't be the most long wearing gloss, but definitely a very comfortable gloss. I like it. Okay, y'all, so that's everything I got in my box. So I just added up the value and it is $125. So overall, I would say good box. Not my absolute favorite that I've ever gotten, but I think still a good one. My two favorite products would definitely be the highlighter and the gloss. Those are always my favorite things to get in boxes, but I like the other products as well. I think that they are nice quality products. So yeah, hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you want to sign up for Boxycharm, I will leave my link down below. No pressure whatsoever to use my link, but if you do, thank you so much. If you subscribe to Boxycharm, I would love to know what you got in your box and what your favorite thing was. Let me know that down below. Ask me any questions that you have. I'm happy to answer those. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!